So this is our project where we built a chatbot, and our team consists of Ryan, Bowen, Gary, Marcus, myself, Daniel, and our instructor, Yusuf. So we created the chatbot because we wanted to implement natural language processing in something that could assist in communication, whether it be for professional or personal purposes.
Try our chatbot. Our chatbot will provide advanced human-like interactions through texting. Here's a demo. Hi, I'm your personal chatbot. Hello. Hello, how are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm good. That's good. What have you been up to today?
This chatbot is too nice.
I've been attending AI camp. That's good. Our instructor, Yusuf, has taught us a lot. I'm glad to hear that. I need to go. See you.
Okay, so we also have a section where a chatbot is interacting with another chatbot. So if you press converse, we can start. So they say, can you make it to dinner tonight? I can't. I'm in the middle of a class. I'm in the middle of a class too. What is your color? I'm a redhead. Do you have any pet peeves?
All right, so we're inspired to create a chatbot since chatbots are used for all sorts of things, for automation such as taking the position of an online secretary or for mental health. And with everyone being in front of a screen for an extended period of time throughout the entire day, socialization face-to-face is sometimes a struggle. Our multifaceted chatbot will allow users to simulate conversations and assist the user to hone their communicative skills. Or if you just want someone to pass the time with, this chatbot is capable of it all.
So our chatbot uses Dialog GPT, and Dialog GPT is a chatbot that is built upon GPT-2, and it is trained off of a large dataset collected from Reddit from the years 2005 to 2017 that has then been filtered and cleaned so that it can be more easily run through. So Dialog GPT has three sizes, small, medium, and large, with increasing parameters. It also has some hyperparameters you can adjust, which is the RNG seed, the learning rate, and step size, and many more. So we also have some further background on transformers, which is what the Dialog GPT is based on. So more specifically, Dialog GPT and GPT as a whole are decoder-based models, which basically means that they cannot look ahead when generating text.
Lessons learned. Throughout this project, we faced many difficulties in creating our code and implementing it into a website. We were able to manage these difficulties by seeking help through online resources such as Google and other websites. We also asked questions to people who are more knowledgeable and more experienced than us. Throughout these 3 weeks, we also learned many valuable lessons. Not only did we learn about AI and Python, but we also learned many important life lessons, such as the importance of learning effectively, communication, and leadership. We also learned a lot about teamwork and what makes a team a good team. That's the end of our project. Any questions?
I have one question. Can you talk about the data flowing back and forth when you're doing the chat? I mean, because I noticed like whenever you type in something, the page didn't reload, right? Like how did that implement? Can anyone help me?
Yeah, that was a JavaScript or an jQuery part.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Can we give these folks a round of applause? This is awesome. This is awesome. And I have to say, this is actually not a standard lesson, right? This is basically like, I would say like, I think Yusuf, you wouldn't beyond what we intend to teach, and this is one application where it's quite interesting. Yeah.